Nelson Brothers Restaurant and Pub invites you to dine in relaxing Northwoods atmosphere. Enjoy our new Minnesota Lakes Aquarium, warm up by our fireplace when it's cool, or enjoy summer and fall on our comfortable outdoor patio. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you'll enjoy hearty, homemade, classic entrees. Choose from our full menu or try our world-famous fritter bread. Dine with wine, beer, or a cocktail, or visit our full bar and try our signature Ultimate Bloody Mary. Nelson Brothers Restaurant and Pub in the Clearwater Travel Plaza on I-94 in Clearwater.